technical traders. We do technical analysis on these markets. We analyze these markets. Based upon that, we take our trades, make our pips, convert that into money, and that's how we roll, guys. Also, we're not financial advisors, so any risk that you take upon yourself. Don't be risking 1.5 or 1% of your capital at any given point with any given trade, depending upon whatever risk management that you're following for the day, for the week, for the month, according to your account size. Good morning, guys. Good, very good morning to all of you. I've charted again the four instruments that I always do for you guys: DAX index, US 30, EU, and GU. I was charting this, and this break of structure started to happen. They broke the structure from here and they started going down, but I realized that there's a bigger demand that's sitting over there. But the chances are, if we break this, we can go down further on both GU and EU. Okay, and there's some news also that came out. I think orange folders, if I'm not wrong, so they're not going to have that much impact. But yeah, they can have a little impact on these markets, like we saw over here. Whilst I was getting ready to set it up for you guys, this was all happening. But nonetheless, we're gonna wait till market open. Let the news and everything play out. Whatever that happened just now, let them play it out. Let them do whatever that they have to do, and we can always catch our pips going up and down according to what the markets are giving us in the moment. Okay, guys. I'm gonna switch to indices. Okay. Look at this gap. You all know how DAX is. We're always trying to fill gaps on DAX, be it going upward or be it going downward. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to come to the chat now. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. We have about 38 people. That's good attendance for London. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. Really means a lot to me and Cram. He has worked really hard to be where we are right now. It's all him. I'm just 1% of what I do over here. Everything that I've learned also is from Cram. Okay. Look at this. Good morning. Good morning, Anish. Good morning, Alpha T Chen. Good morning, Zero, Shelby, Andrew, Saurav. I don't trade GJ over here. We're not trading GJ. It's a little too erratic. People have lost a lot of money trading GJ. We don't do GJ. These four instruments are the instruments according to our according to the kind of movement, according to the markets we chart. For example, US 30 and Nasdaq, they don't move that well during London. I mean, it's obvious why they don't move that much. It's EUR, London market open, so DAX is going to move well. And that's it, guys. And for and obviously GBP USD is going to move. Other than that, US 30 and Nasdaq, they don't move really well. But for New York, they give us really good pips. It's my first stream with you guys. Let's go. Okay, let's go, guys. Welcome, Saurav. If there's any question that you want to ask, I would recommend that you first sit here and observe what we're trying to do over here in these markets. And then maybe for New York, you can get into trades. But if you feel like, then maybe start with a very small position. I'm not aware if you have an account and everything that is set up for you. US 30. This is US 30. Anish, this is US 30. Give me a second, guys. Just give me a second. Okay, can you all see my US 30? Guys, good structure break. This will be a good structure break. I can see two beautiful structure breaks. If we get that, it'll be nice. Going upward, obviously above our supply zone. Let me mark our boxes. Okay. Guys, we're not looking for too many pips, right? On London. That's what we think about, right? We're looking for maybe 10 pips, 10 to 12 pips in London. And for New York, we're looking for more pips. And we don't need, according to the strategy, the price action that we use, and according to the risk management that we have, we don't need more than 10 to 12 pips, right, guys? So start compounding your pips. That's the mantra that I follow. And that's the mantra that you all should follow as well. Start compounding your pips. Okay? Long position, obviously, over here. Okay? Just telling you, anyone who's new over here, DAX on London Market Open sort of gives a lot of fake outs. first, and then we get the movement. So just be careful, don't be getting in, and if you are, maybe try out with feeders, okay? And for one-on-one, guys, I have one slot open. I gave one away. Like I was telling you all yesterday, I have one slot open. If anyone is interested, please go ahead and message me, DM me, or just put it out there on open chat, and I will message you guys. Nothing is happening as of now. If you want to start buying this market, you can start longing from here as well, um, if you want to. Again, here are our safer buys, okay? But if you want to start buying, guys, one-on-ones, if we feel like, if not we, the markets, they feel like they want to change the pattern and change the movement of these markets, we can start buying from our 1H support. Yes, yes, yes. London, we do mostly 4 to 5 times a week, or 3 to 4 times, depending upon the kind of volume that we're getting in these markets. But New York is mostly every day because we get beautiful, beautiful volume. And CramFX, who's also my partner, he's my husband. He's the one who has taught me everything. He's the one who's taught us everything. All of us, we all are grateful to him. I'm sitting here and teaching you guys whatever that I can because of him. So today, the success stories for London are going to go to CramFX, not to CashFX. Okay? Any success story that you're putting for London Market Open is going to go to CramFX, not CashFX. So please make sure that you tag him and not me for this, guys. Okay? I wouldn't be sitting here doing what I'm doing in front of you guys if he wasn't here. Everything, all the credit goes to my beautiful husband, my amazing husband, CramFX. Okay? Guys, for buys, you can start buying from 15-minute resistance as well. Okay? Okay, guys. Let's see what we get for this. Okay, for EUR, the buys could start from here if you want. Okay? Again, the bigger buys are going to be up here. You see this break of structure? This is what we want to catch. Okay? But let me look at the RSI. Guys, we're going oversold on EUR. Okay? We could go down. No problem. We need volume to do that. Look at this. We're catching buyers from this area. Want to fall down further? You can fall down in here. But let's give ourselves small TPs because again, we don't wanna lose any money, okay? We don't want to lose any money in these markets. We don't want to do that. Okay? You want to start buying, you can start doing that from 1H support, but see how you want to get into this. We already broke our daily, and we're going down. But again, it's London, so the candle is not very big. The candles are usually, mostly the candles on London are indecisive ones, doji candles. When I'm charting London for you guys, it's mostly doji candles that I get to chart from. So yeah, there is not there's no clear movement that the markets they give us after we get volume on London, and after an hour of London market open is when we get surge of volume, because yes, there are people who are trading. Okay, there are people who get up and start putting money in these markets, banks, corporate bank institutions, big money makers. That's what they do. They start from London. Okay, so that's why the volume starts rolling in these markets after we start London. Okay, how much time do we have? 5 minutes. Look at that, guys. You are already trying. Okay, guys, we can fill this wick going down. We're catching support from this area at this point. I'm just going to put it right over here. Okay, this is a small demand that we've created in this area. I'm giving you small zones, guys. Okay, that's okay. If you want to catch this much, you can absolutely go ahead and catch. Look at EUR, guys. I was telling you all that EUR respects analysis and the break of structure really beautifully. I've been telling you all to trade EUR. I myself don't trade it, but I've been telling you all to trade it. You guys should actually look at it and start to trade it. It's slow. It'll give you a lot of chances to get in and get out. And also, even if it's going to hit your stop loss or anything, it won't be a very big stop loss. I promise you guys. Stop annotating on my screen, please. Thank you. Just want to say thank you to you both. I passed phase 1 yesterday of my funded account and starting on phase 2. Joe, congratulations, Joe. Congratulations. This is amazing. I'm so sorry, guys. I didn't realize I was on mute. Okay. This is the TP for now. Fathi Abbas, this is the TP for now. I'm giving you all small TPs. Okay, we're scalping here. We're scalping these markets. Now, if you want to fall down further after that, maybe we can look at this position. Okay. Okay. We're oversold. Okay. The RSI is at 27. Careful. Okay. Okay. What is happening over here, guys? Can anyone tell me? One-on-ones. What's happening on GBP USD? Is anyone going to tell me what's happening with GBP USD? I've put the RSI and I've put the chart also in front of you. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Divergence. But guys, all this divergence and everything, you all need to know that it's related to indicators, and indicators are lagging. If there's volume in the market and there's some reason, if there is any catalyst in the markets that's running these markets, then all of this just sits and watches the price action. Everything just start to sit on the sidelines, and they start to watch these candles move. Price action is king when we say that, and it's true. Anything can happen for market open. We have about 35 seconds for market open, guys. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna start. I'm not in on anything at this point, guys, but please excuse me. I'm going to look at indices at this point. Look at that. DAX is giving an impulse at this point. Okay, but knowing DAX, you all know that we could just completely go down, right? Be careful. That's all I'm saying. Okay, this is market open, guys. Indecisive at this point. Okay. DAX is attempting, US 30 is attempting. It'll be a double top if it breaks, the biggest structure over here. And within this, we have HNS. Okay, but these patterns and everything, they're all changing, especially when there is volume. Look at that, guys. Wait, you don't have to trade this candle. Okay, seems like we want to go up further, but wait, guys. Okay, you all need to wait. Let me find a TP for you guys. Okay, seems like we want to move up further, guys. Okay, that's what we're trying to do. Look at that. Look at that rejection, though. Let's wait and watch, guys. W on DAX impels. Congratulations, Lucky. Congratulations. Nice. But be careful, okay? Be extremely careful. If that wick was a little, guys, just wait. Okay. Look at this rejection. Let's wait and watch, okay? Not in on anything at this point, guys. Catching support from here. If you want to start buying, maybe you can start buying from here. If you feel comfortable. But then again, maybe from 15-minute resistance. You can start buying from here also, but then maybe we're trying to make a pattern. Maybe you'll get stuck, okay? Oh, God. Look at this, guys. This is dirty. This is very, very dirty, okay? If you were in on a big position and if you left it running without a feeler, you would be in a loss. But then again, we have 2 minutes for this candle to close, so anything can happen, guys. Let's wait and watch, okay? We don't have to rush. We don't have to trade right now. We can wait for another 5 minutes. We can wait for this candle to close and then we can trade. All right? We can wait. No problem. Okay. Divergence too. Let's see, guys. Careful, okay? Chop, 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 chop. We break the structure or we break the structure going up. This will be a good break of structure going both ways. EUR is catching support at this moment. Chances are we can get rejected from our supply zone and go down further because this will be a good break of structure. And we're also trying to break this and we've not been able to do that. The chances are we can fall down further if we get good volume in these markets. Okay? There are a lot of sellers sitting in this area. GBP, German 30 is pushing, guys. And I'm running, guys. Okay? Not too much, but I am running. Okay. Look at that. Smaller positions. I'm looking at DAX, guys, at this point. I'm not looking at... I passed MFF funded challenge. Thank God, and all by the grace of God. Congratulations, Lucky. Congratulations. We're really, really proud of you. There's so many people on a daily basis. We have someone or the other passing their funded challenges, and it just makes us really, really proud, guys. German, you beauty. Yes, for London, it's the best thing you can trade. Push DAX. Push DAX. Forget about the divergence and everything and push, man. Let's see. We have hit one TP of us. We need to close above this. If not, this is the last 8 seconds of this candle. Seems like we're trying to push up. Okay. I'm looking at my MetaTrader. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay. This was a 17 pip move, guys. Okay. Not bad for London. Not bad. Okay. We're catching support. You want to start buying from 1H support? You can do that. If you want to start buying from here, you can do that. But it's up to you if you want to take this. Okay, we're moving up on DAX. Come on, push, push, push DAX. Yes, come on, DAX. I'm running about 10 pips. 10 pips. Okay. Okay. Okay, 12 pips, 13 pips, 14 pips, 15 pips. I'm going to close one of my positions. I closed one position of mine. There's one more that's running that's giving me 10 pips. I'm going to close that as well, guys. And there's one position that's... I'm going to put it on break even. Okay. If we push up, we push up. If not, then... Okay. I got stopped out on break even. I put two positions. I caught 10 pips on both of them. I was giving myself only that much stop loss. That's the beauty about London, guys. I'm done trading, guys. I caught 10 pips on two positions for DAX. I'm done. I've actually put my phone aside. I don't want to trade too much. I was just looking at 10 to 10, 10 pips stop loss, and 10 pips I wanted to catch for my TP, and I'm done, guys. I'm done. I took two positions on DAX, and it gave me about 10 pips, and I'm done. And I'm done. One gave me 10, one gave me 9.5 or something. So I'm more than happy. Look at US 30 trying, guys. Okay, this is just an impulse at this point. This is a good break of structure if you're trying to break that and going down. Okay, seems like we want to go down. Seems like we want to go oversold. The RSI is at 36. Maybe you want to go down further and go to 30 and get this move. Look at US 30, guys. If you want to trade this, you can. This is just an impulse at this point. Please make sure that you're entering in on feelers and nothing more than that at this point. Maybe DAX wants to fall as well. This is what DAX does, guys. The stupid gap and everything was towards the downside, but the DAX went up. Did this, and now maybe they want to fall. But we're catching bias from our, now this is not supply, guys, anymore. I'm going to turn this into demand. Okay, this is our demand zone. Now we're catching buyers from our demand zone. Now it was supply, and now it turned into okay, seems like we're turning it again into supply. Guys, there's a reason as to why I'm changing it again and again, because some people have confusion understanding how we're flipping and how the demand is changing. That's why I'm trying to change it for you guys. Let's wait for this candle to close. Maybe we want to go down further. And if we do, I'm going to change it to supply again. Okay, look at US 30. Is anyone trading US 30? Raul? Look at that. My position on DAX was big because I have a big account, guys. We don't have small accounts. We have big accounts. I sometimes take $100 a pip. Okay. Or sometimes $200. I had two positions that running for $100 pips. They gave me 9 to 10 pips, both of those positions, and I was out. This is what we do here at Forex, guys. I did not take the impulse. I did not do that. Look at that, guys. We are falling. Now this, I'm gonna change it to supply again. Okay, we're falling on US 30 and on DAX. I'm gonna fall down further from here. We can go down till here. It's not too much, but yeah, it is what it is. Okay, look at that. This is, oh, it's good rejection, guys. This is what DAX does, guys. Also, you all need to understand that they need to go and find the psychological areas where the orders are put, right? They wanted to fall down. Same thing over here. They wanted to fall down. Guys, I'm not taking this. I'm not in on anything. I'm done. Look at that. We're going up for buys. Same thing over here. I told you all, if you want to take the buys over here, you can do that. But if someone is trading GBP USD, careful. Okay? This is just an impulse for this area. Guys, this is what they do. They wanted to go down, but they didn't have enough sellers. So they went up to the area where there were a lot of orders. They caught sellers from there, and that's how they started to fall down. And that's what they're trying to do. To fill this stupid gap, even if it's a small gap or anything, DAX is always like an abstract painting that I'm looking at when I'm charting for you guys for London. It's always like that. But they went up, they got sellers, they got orders from there, and then they went down, guys. Okay, you all have been trading with me for a very long time. I'm talking about London. You all know the pace, and you know how DAX works. It'll always give you a fake out first, impulse, and then it'll move into the direction that it originally wanted to. Look at this. If you want to break this and go down further, we can go down till here. Safer TPs, guys. Look at US 30. Okay, this is the next candle that opened up. Okay, this is a retest that's happening. But we're getting some buyers from here. Slow, 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 slow. Look at that. GBP USD, Shelby. Again, the bigger buys will be up above the supply zone that we have on 1H resistance. Why? It'll be a good break of structure, guys. You understand one-on-ones, you all understand what is break of structure. It'll be a good break of structure, and further from here also, it'll be a good break of structure. Look at EUR USD. Maybe we're gearing up for those buys right now. Okay? Only watching, Shelby? Look at that. Waiting for impulse to close, Raul? Okay. Okay. DAX is crazy. Yes. What about EUR? It's going up, but I went for sells. Why did you go for sells? Why did you go for sells? As soon as you saw that we were catching support from here, these are three candles, consecutive three candles with beautiful bodies. This is sort of like an engulfing candle. Also, we have a very small wick. I mean, this keeps happening in these markets. But look at this beautiful candle with a big green body. What does that mean? A lot of buyers. We picked up a lot of buyers. If you're in on a sell, you shouldn't be in on a sell at this point. These are three consecutive candles pushing up. Okay, look at that. We're testing. We're above 50 on the RSI as well. This was not a good trade for you, Fathi Abbas. This was not a good trade. Now, if you want to enter, you can enter over here also. If, guys, you have to close above our supply zone, wait for the next candle to open up, retest, reject, and then enter in with big positions. If you want to test it out, you can test it out with feelers, but nothing more than that. Okay? Just give me a second, guys. I was on mute, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I was on mute, guys. Be extremely careful, guys. Be extremely careful. The people who are in on US 30 and on DAX know where to put your stop loss. Okay, these markets are making us really work hard to catch our pips today. Okay, be careful. Oof. Wow. We can fall down, guys. This is just they're trying to hit our stop losses. Look at this rejection. This is a good rejection. I told you all we could go up, test our supply zone, and then fall down further. There's about 25 seconds for this candle to close. Let's hope that we close below our supply zone. If we don't, then maybe we're going up to catch the bias that we left on the top. Choppy markets, guys. Really choppy markets. Okay? Very choppy. I have no idea why. Is anyone in on anything? Ooh. Ouch, it hurts me if you're in on sells for US 30 and DAX. It hurts me. It's not good. Okay, we're having this chop because red folders, guys. Red folders opening up for EUR in another 44 minutes. We had a couple of red folders opening up on market open as well. We are waiting for another. I was not aware of it, guys, for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, we're waiting for another red folder that's going to open up. And that is the reason why we have this chop over here. Okay. Oh, I feel bad for the people who are in on sells for US 30 and DAX. Ouch, it hurts. Look at that. Next candle open up. We're testing. Maybe we could go down to make a double bottom also, guys. Okay? Choppy. Choppy. I did not expect markets to be choppy, but again, we had red folders that open up on market open with us. Okay? And there is another red folder that's opening up another 40, 45, 45 minutes. I'm so sorry. For I think the next hourly momentum. It's going to open up with next hourly momentum. That is when we're going to get beautiful, beautiful. All of these setups, all of this will play out, guys. Okay? Y'all need to be patient. Y'all have my levels. It is going to play out. Trust me when I say this. It is. Made few pips on DAX buys, then lost it now. Why? You did not realize your profits, Ottoman? Yep, took a little L0. It's fine. It's all fine. I was in sales, but very small positions, JJ. Okay, that's smart. Guys, you all need to understand that every day is a different day. Every day you can't be putting the same lots. Mondays are different from Tuesdays. Tuesdays are different from Fridays. Fridays are different from Thursdays. There are red folders opening up. Sometimes when we have 3, 4 red folders opening up within the gap of 1 or 2 hours, like how we have for New York also. But we have again more New York for more volume from for New York, so we kept moves. But then for London, if there are 3, 4 red folders that are gonna be opening up in 2 hours or 1 hour gap or like 3 hours gap, you all need to understand that they are trying to accumulate volume. They're going to hit your TPs. They need more volume. They need more orders. They need more people trading so that they can actually release volume for news. They're waiting for the next red folder that's going to open up with the Ali momentum. Okay, they're waiting for that, and with that, we're going to have good volume. The guys, they changed the pattern altogether. I was thinking that they were making HNS. Seems like they're making inverse now. Okay, careful. Cram and I, we're always saying that these patterns are always changing. These patterns are always turning into one another, and this is exactly what they're doing right now on all four instruments, guys. All four of them. The markets are extremely choppy, and it's okay to take an L, guys. It's completely fine. It's completely fine. If you don't have L's, we're not going to learn in these markets. If you don't have L's at all, you're doing something wrong. Trust me when I say this, because I know that 90% of y'all are beginners over here. And beginners, you're going to make these mistakes. If you're not making mistakes and if you're not having losses, there's something extremely wrong, you know. The L's are going to teach you more than the profits, the blues on your screen. Trust me, guys. Look at EU. I feel like EU is respecting TM more. Yep, there will not always be blues. That's how these markets are, guys. Out of 10 trades, be it your spreads, be it your broker, be it your exit, be it your risk management, something or the other is going to fail, or your trading psychology, something or the other is going to make you fail in these markets. You're going to lose money, you're going to have a loss, and that's completely fine. That's completely fine. We all learn from the losses. We never go back when we make blues, when we are in blues, when we make profits. I'm sure most of the people are not going back and saying, oh wow, I made a profit, let's see how I made it. We're just too happy about the profits that we don't go and check what we did right. But when we make losses, we go back and check what went wrong, what did I do, what's there in my journal, where is the screenshot, where did I enter, where did I exit, why this trade did not work out for me. Was it the markets or was it my position? So L's are going to make you put more effort into your trading and the way you trade, and it's going to make you learn a lot. So don't be scared that you had an L. London is known for fake outs. I've been trading London with you for a long time now, and I've been trading you all for, I've been trading and I've been telling you all that London can give you fake outs, London can give you L's, and that's completely fine. Okay, as long as your risk management is in place, even if you had a loss today, it shouldn't bother you. It shouldn't bother. You shouldn't be losing more than 0.5 or 1%. And if you're losing more than that, um, then it's stupid, guys. Straight up. Then it's on you. Then it's on you. If your risk management is not in place, maybe GBP USD is gearing up for buys now. I want to ask, please, on which time frame do you base your analysis for? So we start from daily. we start our because we're scalpers, right? We're scalping these markets on the 5 minuters. Sometimes we do 1 minuters as well, but 5 minuters. So we start our top down from daily, going to 4 hour, 1H, 15, and then we come to 5 minutes. Okay. Look at this. I didn't realize, guys, I was on the 15s. But you see this? If we break this, we're going up, and it'll be a beautiful move. Good break of structure. Look at this, guys. We break this, we're going up. Guys, EUR is nice. Are you all realizing that? I've been charting EUR for you guys. Risk management is everything. Absolutely right, Zero. It's everything. Um, Trading psychology has to be in the right place. And for trading, for you to not lose your mind and lose yourself in these markets because of your emotions, you need to have proper risk management. And I promise you, if you have proper risk management, um, you're not going to be emotional in these markets. Okay, and that in return stops you from doing revenge trading, which is a killer of every account. No over trading and no over risking is my mantra. That's how it should be. No over trading. You lost this. You took an L on London. Stop trading. Keep your phone away. Okay. Wait for New York. Okay. Wait for New York. That's what you need to do. Okay. Which is more effective? Fatih Abbas, what are you talking about? I didn't get that. As long as you're calculating risk correctly, you will never lose. You took the words from my mouth. Yes, JJ. I think because that's what we keep saying all the time. Guys, MFF, if you go onto their page where they're talking about, where they're just explaining the rules for evaluation, okay? Every third or fourth line, every third or fourth point is about risk management, risk management, risk management. The key to cracking these accounts is risk management. And to actually trade these markets, you have to have the proper risk management. Even if you have an individual account, you can't leave your trades running right like that. You can't do that. You need to know how much you can lose in a day, and you need to know how much you can make in a day. And if you have that in place, you don't need anything else, guys. Trust me when I say this. I'm telling it to you right now. Go to MFF's page, go to their website, and they are also talking about risk management all the time. Because no matter how strong of TA you do, doesn't matter if your analysis is bang on, always right. It really doesn't matter. If your risk management is shitty, you're going to lose in these markets. And this is something that you all need to maybe write down on a piece of paper, put it in front of your system wherever you trade, and just look at it. That's what you need to do. Risk management in these markets is everything. If your risk management is right, your emotions are not going to take over. Please understand that. Today was a day where we had to learn a lot. We had no choice, but we have to learn in these markets when these markets are trading like this. And I promise you guys, I promise you, there will be volume. Let the next red folder open up, and there will be volume in these markets. And trust me, you'll get all the moves that you're looking for. But just wait. Get this. Stupid, guys. Extremely stupid. Oh God. Is there any questions that you guys have? I don't want to trade this chop, guys. I made what I had to make. I got my 10 pips on German, and I'm not looking for anything more than that. I actually kept my phone aside. I don't have my phone in my hands at this point. If anyone is on YouTube watching us, y'all can see that I don't have anything in my hand. My phone is actually away from me. I don't like to trade these markets. This is stupid. Maybe we're trying to break this. We made a small right shoulder. There was a left shoulder over here. Maybe we're trying to go up for bias. Okay, for US 30. Look at that. Okay, same story over here. Maybe one time we go and look at the higher time frames. Okay. Divergence. German 30 on the 15. Bearish divergence. But before the divergence plays out, they're going up. Okay, this 15-minute candle is going up, testing our last high. That's what it's trying to do. And then maybe they'll fall and actually give the sells that we've been waiting for. Okay, if you're in on, look at that, told you all we're getting rejected from this area. But the buys were also pretty good, guys. 22, 23 pips for DAX, the buys. I like it. I don't need more than 10 to 12 pips, guys. I'm not looking for more than that. Um, that's it, guys. Do you all have any questions? Which is more effective? Obviously, the bigger, the higher time frames hold more value. So, for example, if my RSI on the 5 minuter is around whatever 50, 40, whatever, and maybe around 30, and I feel that, oh, we're going to go down because my RSI wants to go oversold, which was actually happening with us on DAX, right? Before market open, I was telling you all that maybe we could go oversold. We're trying to go oversold. But if the higher time frame is trying to break out of a structure, doesn't matter the RSI or whatever, if the higher time frame is trying to break out of the structure and trying to go up, okay, for the buys, nothing can stop that. Nothing can stop that. So obviously the higher time frames, they hold more value, but we're trading on the 5 minuter. So it's just a it's a combination, it's an amalgamation of everything, guys. I can't only say that we're going to follow what 1 hour is doing. Maybe the 5 minuter is going to push up, make its move, and then the move for 1 hour will happen. You can never understand that. You can never anticipate that move, but you can always follow these markets and follow the strategy that we're putting here for you guys. Just wait for the impulse to close in our box, and then wait for the retest, rejection, and then enter in with your big positions. And if you're not doing that, then it's up to you guys how you want to trade. And also, if your risk management is not in place, then I really can't do anything about it, right? These markets are choppy. Sometimes they're extremely choppy. Next month is going to be good, guys. Next month will be good. I promise you guys. But just we need to get through this week. It's gonna be good. Okay. Look at this GBP USD. If you all were trading GBP USD, you would have made your money from 1H support. I told you all we can start getting into buys from 1H support to a supply zone. If you were trading GBP USD, you would have made your money. You would have hit your target. Yeah. Okay. Same thing with German 30. My TP was actually this, but the candles moved for 22 pips. And if you're trading this with me, you would have made your pips. Okay. US 30, on the other hand, was not a good trade. Again, I was telling you all that US 30 and NASDAQ, they're not good instruments for, I mean, it's not like they're not good. They have volume and everything, but you all need to see the kind of wicks that we have also on US 30 over here. Okay, so US 30 and NASDAQ, they move better for New York. Okay. Back in blue zero, congratulations. Thanks for the session, Cash. Enjoy your day. Alpha Degen, congratulations. Made back what I lost. Cram has helped me with this. Literally been a lifesaver at the minute for mentality. Yes, 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 yes. Absolutely. Okay, guys, do you have any questions? Can I? This is the next 30-minute momentum also that I waited to open up. Is there anything you guys want to ask? Is there any questions that you want to ask? Anyone new over here and you guys want to ask? Guys, I'm going to show you my charts one last time. If you all don't have any questions, I don't want to see this chop, okay? And I think when do we have New York today? And we'll get moves for New York, guys. We have a folder opening up in another 30 minutes. Okay, for EUR we have so wait for that, guys. Lot of red folders for EUR. Another 2 hours we have CPI for EUR. Okay, that's why all of this is happening, guys. Wait. Okay, and for USD we have red folders as well, guys. So today London was going to be choppy. I don't know how come I didn't see that. My bad. London was London was going to be choppy. I should have told you guys. It's extremely choppy. We have another three red folders that are going to be opening up in another 2 hours for EUR, and that is why this chop is there, guys. I don't want to stay for this chop. How to draw demand and supply. Oh god. Okay, that is the topic, guys. There's another supply that's forming over here. That's another topic. That's a very complex topic. That takes years. It takes a lot of experience and sitting on these markets, sitting on these charts to be able to figure out what is a good supply, what is a bad supply, what is a good demand, what is a bad demand, and it's going to take a lot of time, Manoj. But attend our live sessions and you will understand more. That's it, guys. I'm not going to trade these markets anymore, knowing that there are 3, 4 red folders that are going to be opening up for EUR in the next 2 hours. I don't want to sit here and then entice myself into getting into these trades. I don't want to do that. I'd rather wait for New York to make my pips, whatever that is left that I have to make. I'm going to compound my pips on New York now. And that's it, guys. It was a good session. Um, I made my pips. Some people over here made their pips. Some people took an L, but that's fine. We're learning only over here. If you break the structure, it'll be a good break of structure going up, guys. Okay, I'm going to show you my charts one last time. So if you guys are trading after me, you can trade with no issues. This is DAX. Okay, wait, guys. This is DAX. US 30. GBP USD. Okay, we're trying, guys. And EUR and GBP were really good today. Maybe we should have traded them. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for this session. I have one slot open for one-on-ones. If you guys are interested, please go ahead and message me on Discord. You can DM me, or if you can't find me, then just put it on the open chat, and I will reply for sure. And if you all made any profits, please put it on success stories. Thank you so much, guys. It was a nice session. We all learned a lot together. Please be careful if you're trading without me. It could be choppy. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you all for New York. Bye, guys.